Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting conditions right. Plug the device in and ensure battery is over 50% or keep it charging. Once done, verify Wi-Fi is stable and you have at least 5 gigabytes free. The phone needs room for the download and unpacking. Also make a quick iCloud or Finder backup so you can restore if needed. Now, open Settings, tap General, and choose Software Update. This forces the system to check Apple servers and present any available iOS version. If the update doesn't appear, reset network settings to clear stale connections. This often fixes update discovery. Once network is clean, try again in Software Update. If it still fails, connect to a Mac or PC. Use Finder on Mac OS Catalina or later, or iTunes on older Mac OS/Windows to download and install the update. This bypasses on device download issues. If the desktop method stalls, prepare to enter recovery mode. This gives a direct reinstall route without relying on the current OS. Use recovery mode to either update or restore. Connect to the computer, follow the on-screen recovery prompts, and choose Update first to preserve data. If that fails, choose Restore. Keep the cable plugged and the computer awake until the process completes. Once finished, restore your backup, sign in, and confirm features and apps work. If you still can't update, one key troubleshooting tip. Try a different Mac or PC and cable. Faulty hardware often blocks successful reinstalls, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.